Blocking someone on Telegram is a straightforward process that helps you manage your contacts and privacy. Follow these steps to block a user on the app. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your chats and contacts. Step 2. Find the contact. Navigate to the chat list or use the search function to locate the contact you want to block. You can search by their name or scroll through your recent chats. Step 3. Open the chat. Tap on the contact's name to open the chat window. This will allow you to access the profile and settings. Step 4. Access profile settings. In the chat window, tap on the contact's name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile page where you can find more options. Step 5. Block the contact. Scroll down the profile page and look for the block user option. Tap on it and confirm your choice when prompted. The user will now be blocked and will no longer be able to send you messages. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Telegram and maintain your privacy. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them by following a similar process.